press the button?
Yeah.
This is how to pound, I don't know what to call it, pound the egg on the head. Well, this is how everybody does it. Nicolette. Wrong. Is that wrong, Sandra?
Yes.
Okay, the real way.
Ready? I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Oh, I'm scared. Don't do it again. Did you do that on purpose?
No, you
Come on, I'm
sorry.
recording.
Come on.
Okay.
For real, do it at the back of my head. You just like do it in my
Really?
soft spot.
Where, like right
It's
here?
a baby soft
Yeah, right there.
That hurts right here.
Ow! Oh, yes. That hurt. I think my scalp sunburned and then he hit it.
I know.
Come on, do it.
Wait, where to do it? Right here or right here?
Wherever it don't hurt, just do it the right way.
It hurts here, right?
Yes. Do it right here. Come on, do it, you fuck.
Let Prinny out.
Will you do it?
Come on. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
That's the right way to do it.
What are you doing?
She's about to
You
do
didn't
it.
do it yet. Go.